presenting the Jeep 2017 Compass Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, CD player, radio, 130, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.